Hey gang, Mark Zabo again with Custom Design and Build. We're out here in Bel Air, Maryland. Behind me, we're looking at an old deck, old wood deck, you know, probably about 20 years old. We're gonna take this guy down. We're actually gonna dig down about 4 feet. We're gonna remove all this earth out of the way, all this dirt. We're gonna make the underside of this deck, we're gonna turn it into a storage area. So, this, like I said, this deck will come down. We're going to widen it. It's going to go over top of this basement door. We're going to put a beautiful screened in room up here next to their existing sunroom. And then we're going to come out about another 14 feet with an open deck. Actually, you know, obviously a staircase. We're going to remove all this fencing. We're going to install another aluminum fence for the dog. That way the dog can come out, come down the steps, use the yard, and come right back in. So what else are we going to do on this project? On the sunroom, we're going to do a gas fireplace. It's going to be see-through. So whether you're sitting on the open deck or inside the screen room, you'll be able to enjoy the fireplace. We're going to have our stained tongue and groove ceiling inside. It's going to be vaulted. It's going to really open up the space. It's going to give the customer a lot more use out of the room for longer in the seasons. Underneath, as I said, it's going to be we're going to do a concrete floor. We're going to cut in through their existing basement wall. We're going to add another sliding glass door, and that'll be all storage area underneath. We'll frame up the walls, we'll enclose it, we'll put a double door in there, and then he can use that for storage. As you can see underneath the deck, we don't have a lot of headroom, so the customer wants to make this a storage area underneath his new deck. So we're going to take all this earth out. We're going to pull out about 4 feet of earth. We're going to pull all that out. We're going to do a concrete slab under here. We're going to have some double doors, walls, lighting, and he's going to have this amazing space underneath his deck that he can use for storage. And we're really looking forward to getting this project started. This one's going to be a nice project. It's going to be huge. It's going to be gigantic. Stick with us. It's going to be a lot of fun. There's going to be a lot of moving parts, and we're going to take you guys along for the ride. So please stay tuned, like, subscribe, share our videos so more people can see it, more people can see what we do, and, you know, keep bringing you these awesome projects as we move forward. Thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next one.